What if I told you that most people are following the wrong path to wealth? Not because they're lazy, but because they're uninformed. In this video, I am going to walk you through the timeless principles that the wealthy live by and the rest of the world overlooks. Whether you're working a 9-to-5, starting your own business, or just figuring things out, these principles can help you build long-term wealth. Stick around to the end, because principle number 7, that one is a mindset that separates millionaires from the average person. Let's get into it. Principle number 1. Know the game you're playing. Money is a tool. It's not about just working harder. It's about understanding how money flows, how value is exchanged, and how systems work. Most people chase money directly. The wealthy chase value, knowing that money follows. Don't ask, how can I get rich? Ask, how can I provide so much value that people are willing to pay me over and over again? Principle number 2. Not all income is created equal. There are 3 types of income. Earned income from your job. Portfolio income from investments like stocks, real estate, etc. Passive income from businesses or assets that generate money on their own. The wealthy don't just work for money. They use earned income to buy assets that create passive and portfolio income. Your goal? Convert active income into passive income as fast as you can. Principle number 3. Trade time wisely. Most people trade time for money, but time is limited. Money is not. Rich people use leverage. They hire others. They use systems. They invest. Ask yourself, is my income scalable? Because if it's not, you're stuck. To build wealth, you must stop being the only engine driving your income. Principle number 4. Don't try to look rich. Be rich. A lot of people increase their lifestyle every time they earn more. That's the fast track to staying broke. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the money saved, the assets owned, the freedom to walk away from anything. Live like no one else now, so you can live like no one else later. Principle number 5. Invest in skills before assets. Skills are the fastest way to increase your income. Learn how to sell. Learn digital marketing. Learn to write copy. Learn how to communicate and lead. Assets can be taken away. Skills stay with you. The more valuable your skill, the more money will chase you. Principle number 6. Tell your money where to go or it will disappear. Most people don't track their spending. That's like flying blind. Set rules for your money. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% investments, or whatever system works for you. Just make sure every dollar has a job. Principle number 7. Think long-term. Rich people think in decades. Broke people think in days. Want to win? Delay gratification. Don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. Build systems, automate investments, stay consistent. Time plus consistency equals inevitable wealth. Let's quickly recap. Understand the money game, build multiple income streams, leverage your time, live below your means, learn high-income skills, manage your money with intention. Play the long game. These are the principles rich people live by, and now you can too. If this video gave you clarity, give it a like and comment below. Which principle are you going to start applying today? Subscribe for more weekly videos on money, mindset, and financial growth. And turn on the bell so you don't miss a single one. Thanks for watching. And remember, don't work harder, think smarter. See you in the next video.